Hi everyone, this is KGMO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin itong reaction video, which is the Captain Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo nakapanayam ni Miss Jessica So. So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this.
Ito po ang interview na akala ko hindi mangyayari.
Ay, bakit?
Hello, love, goodbye noon. Hello, love, again.
Again.
Ngayon,
Well, alam mo, feeling ko talaga.
milyong Pilipino na piniling makipagsapalaran abroad. Mga
Feeling ko talaga hindi happy ending yung Hello Love Again.
Ngayon, Global Pinoys.
Global Pinoys.
Lalabanan ang pangungulila.
Wait, can we just skip that one?
Time just stops. Sinusundan mo ba ako?
At matapos
Ito yung Hello Love Again.
sina Ethan at Joy muling nagbabalik sa pinaka-inaabangang sequel ng taon, ang Hello Love Again. Sakto sa 20th anniversary ng KMJS,
Not yet? Grabe.
makakakwentuhan natin.
20th anniversary?
Hey, hello Catherine. It's nice to meet you. First time. Yeah?
Ay, first time niyo na-meet si Miss Jessica.
Hello, Alden. It's good to see you again. Uy. Pinanood ko kayo 5 years ago, 2019, Hello, Love, Goodbye. Nung napanood ko yun, sabi ko, ay, ang lungkot ng ending. Bitin, sigurado may sequel ito. Ito na nga yun, di ba? Ang tanong ko, yung characters nyo dun sa movie, I'm sure nag-evolve dito sa sequel, di ba? Sa totoong buhay, kayo ba nag-evolve din?
I think, yes. Bilang tao, nag-evolve po. Marami. It's about openness and it's about moving forward, I guess. Somehow, nakaka-relate din ako sa character ni Joy. She's very career-driven, very independent.
Hindi pwede magkaroon ng us.
Hindi pwede.
Kasi marami akong responsibilidad.
So, I want to be as strong as her. Feeling ko yung pinaka-natutunan ko is just allow yourself to grow.
Allow yourself to grow to make mistakes and bumangon.
Alden, ikaw.
Not
I love that.
everything will go according to plan. May mga bagay tayo na gusto nating ma-achieve pero hindi siya
I love that.
In line with growth, as what Kat said, parang allow yourself to fail kasi doon ka matututo eh. Yung mga bagay na hindi ko na-achieve and hindi ko na-accomplish, medyo very disheartening siya sa akin. But as I go in this journey called life,
Alam mo ba, dinadagdan pala talaga ni Alden yung mga, alam mo yun, hindi niya masyadong na-achieve. Meron pa ba?
there are no failures eh, only learning.
Walang araw na hindi ko inisip na sana marating na natin yung future na pinangarap natin.
Ay, ayan na. Ito yung after 5
A
years.
future with
Charis.
butterflies.
So it's now Hello, Love Again. Obviously, love story siya, the chemistry. Is that something that you had to work on?
It just comes naturally, I think. Everything was
Unexpected.
and flawless.
Pero bagay kayo ha.
Ay,
Kasi nga napanood ko yung Hello, Love, Goodbye.
tama. Tama yan, Ma'am Jessica.
Thank you.
Tama yan, Ma'am Jessica.
Ni Direk Cathy, Miss Jessica. Yeah. Yung friendship
Tama yan, Miss
ni
Jessica.
Alden, it's like, syempre, unexpected naman eh.
Hanggang kung saan lang kayang ibigay ng panahon para maghanap.
Ang cute ng tawa ni Kat.
But with the guidance of Direk Cathy, that's why they call it the Cathy Garcia
Sampana Magic.
May mata lang talaga siya na ayaw niyang umaarte. Gusto niya pinaka-natural.
I give you all the love that I have because I love you.
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit pinapapili mo ako?
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit hindi ako ang piliin mo, Joy?
Oh my
Yung
God.
niya is don't act.
Ang lalim ng mga...
Yes, alam niya kapag pinapeke mo yung emosyon and all. So with the setup during 2019, our first scene there, gusto niya kung ano yung makapture sa camera, kung paano kami naturally.
Yung first meeting po namin na si Joy eh nasa garbage area.
And for a while, time just stops.
Every word of the scene must mean something.
Tingnan mo magtinginan talaga sila. Kung magtinginan talaga sila.
Hello, Love, Goodbye. Umikot ang buhay ni na Joy at Ethan sa Hong Kong. Sa Hello, Love Again, itutuloy
Canada.
nila ang kwento sa bansa kung saan may humigit kumulang 900,000 tayong mga kababayan.
Grabe, dami din pala sa Canada.
You shot in Calgary.
Calgary po is very different. It's chill, it's relaxed. You know, yung mga OFW natin, mga kababayan na nandun still works hard and hindi po nawawala yung pagmamahal nila sa kanilang mga pamilya. Somehow,
Truth.
sa trajectory po ng mga OFW that goes to Hong Kong, wala talagang nagsistay. Yun nga yung line ni Joy, di ba?
Oo, nalala ko doon.
Bakasyon man yan o trabaho, dapat sulitin mo. Kasi walang nagtatagal sa Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a place where no one stays still.
In Canada po, it's a symbol of permanence. You know, because of the benefits po and all the things that the government is doing for all its residents. Nakita namin yung iba't ibang klaseng stories po ng OFWs na nandun. Sila muna yung pupunta, tatrabahuhin nila yung trabaho nila doon para makuha din po nila yung mga pamilya nila.
I want to know, in your family or in your personal lives, meron din bang OFW whom you were able to relate to nung ginagawa niya tong movie?
My brother po, nasa San Francisco po siya.
Oh.
Worker there po. It's been almost 8 years na po already and bihirang-bihira din po siya nakakauwi. Napakahirap, Ma'am Jess. The sacrifices
Grabe, no?
ginagawa ng mga kababayan natin to be far away
True.
from their family and the people that they love just to give them a better life.
My brother, nasa New Zealand po siya
Ang gwapo ng brother niya.
Nag-UK siya, pero ngayon nandito na. So, medyo matagal din siya nawala. And my other sister, she used to be a flight attendant naman, pero hindi na din. She's really the person
Uy, ang gwapo ng brother niya.
about me. Since wala kami, so virtual inuman muna kami ni Aris. Cheers! And also, my best friend, Australian naman. Ang
best
Batangas
friend niya.
National Board.
Kaya pala doon ka nanood ng Taylor Swift.
Yeah!
Alam na alam ni Ma'am Jessica.
Updated ako.
Alam na alam ni Ma'am Jessica.
Second chances.
Joy, I don't want you back.
Nung ginagawa ko yung character ni Joy, ang laking bagay na witness ko rin kasi first hand kung ano yung hirap ng mga malalapit na tao na to sa buhay ko. So, yun yung tinatry kong balikan, especially pag may mga eksena na medyo emotional.
In keeping po dun sa story o narrative ng Hello, Love Again, meron kaming konting
Ay,
gimmick.
games sila. May games.
Items from those boxes.
Tapos idadrama nila.
Then goes first.
Ano kaya yun? Ay, hindi nila idadrama, dear.
Uy, litrato ng mami ni Alden.
Oh my God.
Ikaw yan, Alden?
Yes po.
Oh.
Oh my God.
How does it make you feel pag nakikita mo yung litrato?
Ay.
No?
Yeah.
Siyempre po, the longing is still there. In every loss and goodbye in life, you never really get to move on from it.
Of
Learn
course.
how to live above it and to control your emotions.
I'm sure proud na proud siya ngayon sa'yo.
Yes po, Ma'am Jess.
Diba?
Yo, ma, let's go.
Cutie.
It's your turn.
Akala ko maging emotional si Alden dun.
Ay, ito.
Nurse? Cap?
Oh, sorry. Makeshift.
Ang cute naman na to.
Nurse's cap. Does it mean anything to you?
Naalala ko siguro dito is my sister because she's a nurse, yung dati pong nasa UK,
Mm-hmm.
nawala. Tapos ngayon bumalik siya. Parang she's like my second mom.
Okay.
This one, oh, here.
Oo, yung gamit ng dentist. Oo.
This one,
Kasi, ay, gusto niya maging dentistry?
Dentist.
Ah, okay.
So growing up
A
kami,
dentist
lagi
pala
na-
yung brother niya.
Siya na yung
Ang
isa
gwapo
sa
ng kapatid niya.
buhan ko. Malayo siya, yes. Pero siya yung mga tinawagan ko nung pinakakailangan ko yun.
Si Alden ulit.
Ang gwapo ng brother niya.
Naman daw.
Ah, your kuya.
Yeah. Ito po, kuya ko rin.
Oh, yeah.
Ever since we were young. Kami pong dalawa yung lagi
Uy, niya pala yan.
Parang siya lang din po yung minsan na napagsasabihan ko lately because of the hardships that I've been experiencing.
Eto, tamang-tama, may message kami from him.
Wow,
That's your kuya?
Congratulations to your movie and all your projects. I'm really, 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 really proud of you.
Ay.
Thank you always for being there for me and to our family. See you soon. I love you.
Wow.
Eh,
Ha? Naiiyak si Alden, no?
oh my God.
Po, kasi very rare lang po talaga minsan because of my schedule. Hindi kami
Ah, oh my God, naiyak din ako.
Mahal na mahal ko yung...
Kakainis naman si Alden.
Thank you, kuya. Love
Akala
you.
ko pa naman lagi kayo nag-chat-chat.
Apo.
Tama pala, may video message.
Sus Mario Joseph.
Mas mabiyose.
Mga kay MJS, oh.
Hindi pa nasanay si Alden sa atin.
Yes po.
Lagi ba ganun?
Laging may...
Nagpa ganun.
Now it has to be both of you na bubunot sa ating balikbayan
Okay po.
box. Okay.
Okay, go. Ano yung dream nila?
Pilot's
Alden?
hat.
Totoo ba na gusto mo raw pala palang maging piloto?
Yes, Ma'am Jess. Before
Oh.
kailan po mahal tuition.
Pero what if itinuloy ni Alden ang matayog niyang pangarap na ito? Paano sasabihin ni Captain Alden ang kanyang flight boarding announcement?
Ayan.
Rinig nga.
Narinig nga.
Good evening, everyone. This is your captain speaking, and I'd like to welcome everyone on HLA Flight KM20. It's expected to land in the Philippines across...
Captain! Hello?
Mayday!
Mayday, nagbakel.
Terrain.
Terrain. Last. Hello, good evening. This is your captain speaking, and I'd like to welcome
Sikat,
everyone on
sikat.
HLA Flight KM20. We hope you enjoy your flight. And once again,
Oh,
thank you for
Alden?
choosing HLA Airlines.
Galing!
Kawawa lang yung mga pasahero, hindi nila nakita ang gwapo ng piloto.
True.
Boses lang.
Boses lang.
Pero ngayon na piloto siya, ako na yung FA muna. For today, guys, fasten your seatbelts. Okay.
For today's video.
Passengers ready? Ready po!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is flight KM20 with service from Canada to the Philippines. Please fasten your seatbelts and secure all baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. Thank you for
Ay, ang galing ni Kat.
HLA Airlines.
Ang galing ni Kat. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Ang galing ni Kat.
Ka-pressure! Oh my goodness!
Kung may take two sa totoong buhay, yung pwedeng mga i-retake na mga pangyayari,
Ay, gusto ko to.
Alden, ano yun para sa'yo?
Yung sana buhay pa po yung nanay ko ngayon para
Mm.
makita niya lahat ng mga pinangarap niya para sa akin.
Ikaw, Kath,
None. I wouldn't change a thing po.
even
Consistent talaga siya.
talaga?
Consistent talaga siya.
Like lahat po ng nangyari ngayon and noon, kung hindi yun nangyari, baka ibang Catherine yung humarap sa inyo ngayon. And I feel like anything or everything that happened, lahat yan may reason. I just love my life now, Miss Jessica. So lahat ng failures, lahat ng victories, lahat ng sadness and happiness.
Consistent talaga siya sa kanyang sagot.
To be
Sa lahat ng interview, yun talaga palagi ang sagot niya.
Pag ayoko yung babae,
Very consistent talaga siya.
para matakot at lumayo.
I love you.
I don't love you.
Kaso gusto kita eh.
Ayun na.
So sorry, I don't love you.
Please invite your fans.
Ay, tapos na.
Catherine,
and ilang tulog.
kaya nating OFW o Globe.
Ay, tapos na.
Sa amin,
Alright. There you go guys. It is our for today's video. The KMJS together with Alden and Catherine Bernardo. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.